Welcome to Hannam University's official YouTube channel.
How's our school campus? Isn't it beautiful?
It's so wonderful.
Hannam University is located in Daejeon, the middle of South Korea. If you want to enjoy campus life here, then this video will help you to take your first step into studying at HNU.
HNU offers admissions to international students both spring and fall semester, which start on March and September respectively. Here are the departments you can apply for. If you don't speak Korean, I would recommend the Linton School of Global Business because they offer entirely English-speaking courses.
Linton School of Global Business applicants from non-English speaking countries should submit a proof of language proficiency, such as TOEIC, TOEFL, IELTS, and TEPS.
If you have no test results, then you may have face-to-face or internet screening interview.
To apply for the departments other than Global Business, you need the certification for Level 3 or higher on TOEIC, Test of Proficiency in Korea.
Or you can take some Korean language courses at HNU Center for Korean Language. For more information, please visit the website.
Two different types of international applicants can apply as an international student. Type 1 is a high school graduate whose parents are both non-Korean citizens. Type 2 is a high school graduate who has completed a primary and secondary education outside of Korea.
From now on, I will tell you about the admission process briefly. Here's the schedule for freshman admission of fall 2020. First, you will submit the online application and required documents. After reviewing, we will announce successful candidates on our website. After the tuition payment, you will get standard admission permit for your student visa. If you finish registering for student visa, you are ready to enter South Korea. Congratulations on becoming a member of HNU community.
Next, the required documents are as follows. Among these documents, number 4, the original high school diploma needs the confirmation from Korean consulate or apostille. And all the documents need to be written in English or Korean. If they not, you need translation for them.
Then what kind of international student benefits does HNU have? Since HNU offers scholarships for all the international students, admission fees will be waived and the tuition fees will be reduced by 50% during the first semester of admission. During enrollment, you will receive scholarships based on your GPA score. Also, you can stay in the safe and cozy dormitory near HNU.
If you have any questions so far, you can contact us via email, KakaoTalk, or website. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing you at HNU. Bye!